Welcome to my channel Learn Insurance with Rashmeet Kaur. Basically, in this episode, we will learn about what is insurance, second, what are the types of insurance, and why we need insurance. Right? So, to start with, I would like to request you all to do like, subscribe, and share my channel. So, this is my first episode. So, in this, we will study about insurance as I've already told you. So, before starting it, I just wanted to know to tell you guys कि आजकल हम इंश्योरेंस वर्ड बहुत सुनते हैं अपने आसपास बट स्टिल वी डोंट नो द क्लैरिटी कि इंश्योरेंस होता क्या है राइट सो पहले तो हम ये समझेंगे कि इंश्योरेंस क्या होता है सो इंश्योरेंस एक रिस्क मैनेजमेंट टूल है बेसिकली जो हमें हेल्प करता है इंडिविजुअल को हेल्प करता है कि हम अपने आप को और अपने बिलोंगिंगनेस को अपने एसेट्स को प्रोटेक्ट कर सके बाय पेइंग अ रेगुलर फी टू द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी सो बेसिकली ये ऑप्शन है कि हम अपना रिस्क कवर कर सकते हैं अनएक्सपेक्टेड इवेंट्स होते हैं एक्सीडेंट्स हो गए इलनेस हो गए ये हम प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते ये अनएक्सपेक्टेड है ये कभी भी किसी भी टाइम आ सकते हैं सो टू प्रोटेक्ट us from those scenarios we buy insurance we take insurance हम अपने आप को safeguard करते हैं हम अपने आप को protect करते हैं so insurance is basically a protection which we require it एंड इसमें क्या होती है इंश्योरेंस कंपनी होती है जो हमें उससे प्रोटेक्ट करती है हम इंश्योरेंस लेते हैं तो उसके लिए हम फीस पे करते हैं कंपनी को रेगुलर इंटरवल्स के साथ साथ सो आई होप इंश्योरेंस कॉन्सेप्ट होता क्या इंश्योरेंस वो आपका क्लियर हो गया नाउ वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड विद द स्लाइड्स जिसमें हमने ये वेरियस टॉपिक्स कवर करेंगे जो कि मैंने पहले ही बोला व्हाट इज़ इंश्योरेंस व्हाई वी नीड इंश्योरेंस एंड व्हाट आर द types of insurance, right? So let's start with the slides.
It is in a contract between you and an insurance company to help protect you and your loved ones from financial loss due to unexpected events. So it helps to provide security, stability, and support in times of need. So when we talk about insurance, though, so here comes three major things. As we have talked, one is the person who buys the insurance, that is the policy holder, which is also called insured person. The second one is the one who provides insurance, the person who provides protection to the insured person. So insurance provider is also called the insurer. The next one is the policy contract. So basically, it is a legal document which binds the policy holder, insured, and the insured. So, what is the requirement of insurance? Why insurance actually matters in our life? So, basically, insurance acts as a critical financial shield against unexpected emergencies, illness, and accidents. So, this is the main reason why insurance in our life matters. So, it transfer risk to an insurance provider. You're able to protect your earned money, assets, and prevent severe financial debt during crisis and ensure long-term stability of yourself and your dependent needs. So, what are the pointers why it matters is it helps in providing family protection, it provides medical safety, it provides asset protection, it also helps in debt repayment, and one of the major factor, it also helps in tax relief. So this is why actually so basically there are various types of insurance, but it is widely divided into two parts, which is general insurance and life insurance. So name itself tells about what is life insurance and what is general insurance. So basically life insurance is a provides financial support in the event of death of a person, And when we talk about the general insurance protects your physical assets, health, and travel plans against enforcing accidents, theft, or damage. So, life insurance covers the death of a person, and apart from life, all other assets like your car is motor only, and home, then um, your loan, then your building, everything comes under general insurance.